I don't know, both of them.
We trying to stay cool.
Y'all trying to stay cool,
Stand up.
stand cool.
Let's push you.
Push
Push
who?
me in the water, boo. Push you.
Wish you would. I got a nephew and a cousin out here. I got a nephew and a cousin out here. And then you on this blog, it's on. So you kill me.
I said
baby.
push, you ain't gonna die.
I got some good peanuts that you can eat.
Boy.
Yeah, these right here like rocks.
I know the wrong one.
Look at this. What is this?
No, boiled peanuts.
My ball peanut.
Take a piece.
No, look at them down there.
Take a piece.
We trying to move on.
Take it.
Why is she in there? Look at it.
We do that in the middle of the night. When they do that camping.